Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Deepali, and today I'm sharing one of my absolute favorite classic desserts, lemon bars. They are buttery, tangy, sweet, and just melt in your mouth. Perfect for tea time, brunches, or even gifting. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We'll start by preheating our oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then take an 8-inch square baking pan and line it with foil. Now you can also use baking paper or parchment paper here if you don't have silver foil at home, or if you don't want to use silver foil. Okay, and make sure the foil extends over the edges so you can lift the bars out easily after baking. So once this is done, brush the foil with melted butter, or you can also spray it with a non-stick spray. This will keep our bars from sticking to the foil. Okay, let's keep this aside. And now for that buttery crisp crust, you just need 4 ingredients: butter, powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. So firstly, we are going to cream the butter until smooth. So you can say just for a minute or two. And once this is smooth, add your powdered sugar and mix again until just combined. Now don't overbeat it. This crust should be dense and crumbly. Okay, and now I have some flour with me. Into this I'm going to add the salt and I'm going to whisk both of these together and then mix this in the butter mixture and mix this until the dough starts to come together. Now we don't want a ball of dough, we just want a crumbly soft mix. Okay, now this is done and I'm going to transfer this into my prepared pan and I'm going to press this evenly into this pan. You can use your fingers or back of the spoon to smooth the top and make sure it's an even layer. So now this is going to go in the oven and I'm going to bake this for 18 to 20 minutes or until the edges are light golden brown. Now while that's baking, let's make the star of the recipe, the lemon filling. So for this we need eggs, lemon zest, lemon juice, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour and some salt. And for this you'll need fresh lemon zest and juice. The flavor is amazing when it's fresh. So we are going to start by zesting our lemons first. And remember, you just have to use the yellow part of the lemon. Do not use the white part, otherwise your lemon bars will become bitter. I'm going to straightforwardly add the zest into the sugar. So you have to take 1 tablespoon of zest in total and then mix it with a fork or your hands, whatever you feel like. You know why we mix zest into the sugar with a fork or hands? Because this releases lemon oils into the sugar and gives that amazing aroma and flavor. Okay, and now I'm going to add flour and a pinch of salt in the sugar. This is going to thicken the filling slightly and balance the flavors. And then I'm going to juice the lemons. Don't worry if you get some seeds or pulp in the juice, because we are going to strain it before adding it to the lemon filling. Again, I'm telling you here to use fresh lemons because they make all the difference. And now I have here 2 eggs at room temperature. Now whisk these eggs until they are just broken and a little smooth. We are not beating for air here, just mixing. And then gradually add the sugar mixture. You have to add this in 2 or 3 intervals. And once everything is mixed, I'm going to finally add the lemon juice. And now I'm using my spatula to mix everything together. Okay. Now once the crust is out and it's slightly cooled, you have to pour the lemon mixture over it. Just spread it evenly and bake it again for 18 to 20 minutes or until the center is just set. So to check whether it's done or not, gently shake the pan after 18-20 minutes. If the center doesn't jiggle, it's done. So now it's ready. See, it's okay if it's little brown. I like this way. You can keep it for 2 or 3 minutes less if you don't want it to brown this much. Okay, now let this cool at room temperature. Once it is cool room temperature, I'm going to chill it in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours. And this is going to make them so much easier to cut. Okay, so our lemon bars are out of the fridge now. And now I'm going to dust some powdered sugar generously over it. This is what gives that signature lemon bar look. You can do this also later on, just before serving, if you think that the sugar can melt into the filling, which happens if you keep the bars for longer time. I'm going to use a sharp knife to cut these, and in between I'm going to dip my knife in the hot water for clean cuts. Also wipe between each slice for perfect edges. Now you can see the perfect 3 layers: a crumbly shortbread crust, creamy lemon filling, and that light top crust. It's buttery, tangy, sweet, just a perfect bite. Now, these lemon bars are such a classic and are loved by all ages. They store beautifully in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and are great for gifting too. Do try them, and if you enjoy recipes like this, do not forget to like this video, comment below, and of course subscribe to my channel for more delicious homemade desserts. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again, take good care of yourself and happy baking.